Hi, I'm Jake from Pink Boots Hire, and today we're going to be going through the 520 AJ knuckle boom. Let's go. If the machine's delivered to site and the customer or yourself is not on site, or was delivered the night before, the driver will lock the key away in the lockbox. Lockbox is located just under the main cabinet on the control side, just here. Once you have the key, put it in the machine. Now you can operate it from the base or the basket. We'll start from the base. So to operate from the base, select the purple or the base station. Wait for the engine to prime. Now we can start. The machine can be lowered when you first come without turning the engine on by pressing down to unlock and then lower. All the functions from the basket can also be operated from below. All you got to do is, once the machine's started, just press the unlock button and go from there using any of the switches. So now if you want to operate from the basket, all you got to do is switch the key to the blue and ensure the e-stop is out. Now we can operate from the basket. If you do wish to operate 240 volt equipment from the basket, the switch to turn on the 240 volt power is located to the right hand side of the main control panel, which is just here. Like all our other knuckle booms we have at Pink Boots Hire, we supply 2 harnesses with every machine, which are located in this conduit tube with the basket. Once you've correctly fitted your harness, make sure you clip on to the 2 harness points located either side of the control panel. So now once you're in the basket and you've got your harness on and clipped on, now you can start the machine. Firstly, pull the e-stop, wait for the machine to prime, put your foot on the dead man switch, then you can start. So starting from the left on the control panel, we have the speed control first. So you've got your rabbit for going over flat ground, you've got your turtle for going over flat ground but you want to be slow, and then you've got your hare but on uneven ground. So then next to the ignition button, we've got the drive orientation override, which you'll need to press if you're rotated around to the side of the machine, and it makes you acknowledge before you can go back and forth. Then under that we have the drive and steer joystick. We have the speed controller, so we can go up to rabbit and all the way down to turtle. I recommend going to turtle when operating near buildings or objects you're working on. And then next to that we have the joystick, which is used to operate the main lift and the swing controller. Here at Pink Boots Hire, all our self-propelled knuckle booms have the SkyGuard technology installed for safety. Both the 240 volt points are located to the right hand side of the basket here. With our 520 AJ, we've got the basket mesh installed, which is a great thing if you're working at heights, so then if you do drop a tool or any materials, it doesn't fly out the side. And that comes up to about knee height. So that's it from us from Pink Boots Hire regarding the 520 AJ knuckle boom. If there's anything more you need, comment below or give us a call. Taking service to new heights.